that you're yours. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello, you may love the weekend. Life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise of yours. If you will tell me I'm the only one that you're yours. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. You may love the weekend.
Good morning from a very wet and rainy day here on Phi Phi Island. We're off to the Phi Phi Island Tsunami Memorial from the 2004 December tsunami they had here, so we're off to have a look and see whether or not we can find the memorial. So far we are lost, but see you when we get there. So we've managed to take the wrong turn and we're now walking up to the viewpoint, and it's a massive hill back down to the bottom. Whoops, something moved. Oh, it's a lizard. Oh, so on our way up, and it just keeps going and going and going. So we will see you when we get up there. Oh, nope, hold on, saw the sign. Up there. Four people?
Four.
We've made it to the top of the viewpoint here on Phi Phi Island. No, I didn't get a chance to get here last time. Wow, look at that. On our way back down the bottom now to go get something to eat. This is sketchy. That's all stairs, but it's wet, mossy,
when you come this way, Amanda.
and slippery.
Well done.
You can do it, Mom.
Is my back? This is on my back. Wet.
Yeah, you're sweaty ass. No, that's dry.
That's just one burnt. Doesn't sweat.
Everything else is sweaty.
Yeah.
Look at the front of your shirt.
Don't sweat where I burn. Yeah.
Can you see my legs?
Yeah, see that one.
Sitting here enjoying this perfect place, and then I turn around and there's a boat. Look how many people are on this boat. Oh, there we go. Holy shit.